Today I am going to show you how to put a password lock for your presentation. So once you are done with your presentation, click on the file, click on save as, choose your destination folder where you want to save it. I am clicking desktop. So once you're doing, give your presentation name, just for example ABC. I'm going to save it as presentation, is fine. From here, click Tools, and from Tools, click General Options, and here, if you want to set a password to open, so I'm just putting a password, okay, and then click OK, and again they ask me to re-enter it, so again I'm putting the password, click OK, and click Save. So just close it. So your presentation which you have worked ABC is here. So let us try to open it. Okay, see, it's asking for the password to open it. So if you put your password, it will open. Otherwise, it will not open. So hope you have liked my video.